Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today,
What's up?
5 players only, no. But guys, we're playing Movie Story. I've never played this game ever on or off recording.
I played it before, and it's very underrated.
Yeah.
Let's just say that.
We have only 5 players. This guy, a new viewer and subscriber. And then we have another guy.
Balls and donut.
And then Micro is Sutard, the person sitting right next to me. His account got hacked. Send some love in the comments. And make sure to go sub to all of them. Okay. And then who's left in the bus? Million. Where are you? You're like the front row, bro.
I'm here.
You're in the front.
I'm in the front.
He's so iconic, man.
I'm in the front. I look like her teacher's pet. What the heck?
Like what? No! Somebody just
person leave, and then everyone else leaves.
Bro, what? What?
Alright, guys, we're gonna play a different story game.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
I'm not playing this game. No. No, I'm not playing this
It's
game.
so underrated. It's so underrated that nobody plays it.
I know. You need 6 players, and we only have 5. Okay. Let's see. What do we
Guys,
play?
It's a really good game, just no one plays it.
Okay. Let's see. We should play like a.
Hold on, guys. I found a Squid Game story. What?
No, I'm not.
We played it?
No. I'm just gonna play. Let's see. Cruise. Did they make a new cruise story? I hope they did. Let's see. Please tell me you created like a new cruise.
Guys.
Yeah.
There's
Okay. Join whatever story game you want to play, and then I'll join you.
Okay.
All right. Well, I guess we're playing this one. I hope they made
Which one?
I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. You just have to look and say.
I'm playing what I want to do. I played this one already, but I haven't got all the endings yet.
All right, guys. In 3, 2, 1, join me. Join me. This is the game we're playing, and at least we have people.
Guys, who's in what game?
We're playing Airplane 3.
I don't see that you're in the game.
Wait,
oh, yeah, I don't see you in the game.
Refresh.
I refreshed like 50 times.
Bruh.
Say the game.
Airplane 5. We're playing Airplane 5. I mean,
Airplane 5.
Airplane 3. I'm so sorry. Airplane 3.
Okay.
Oh my god. That's embarrassing, bro.
I don't think I've actually ever played before. I think I've played like 1 and 2, but I die every time.
Hello, Sutart. Hello, Sutart. Million, you're here too. All right. Let's see. Which game has the most people?
By the way, do you like my new avatar?
Yeah, true.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am. Good. Okay, guys. Let's join like the one back here. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Join.
Alright.
Boo!
No, bro. These guys all like viewers.
Like, if
Imagine
one person
these guys are
joins,
all
everyone
like-
else joins that.
Imagine these are people that
Dude,
like.
literally one person joins, like, literally one person joins one of these, and then everyone else is like, just joins.
Mind
Just everyone else
if
to
to me. All right, I'm gonna ask some of these guys if they can subscribe to my
Would you
channel.
guys mind if you subscribe to me?
Bro, like what?
Self-promotion, baby. Let's go. Self-promotion. I respect that.
Hello, Poncho.
Guys, sit down.
I remember the last time I wanted to beat you up once.
Yeah,
I actually wanted to beat him up once.
Up to me.
Like this guy, bro. This Sancho kid, man. Sub to me. Bro, you have to tell them your name. Sub to me. Row.
I am not.
I will sit here. No, I'm sitting here.
Bro 1.
I like this chair.
You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Yeah, because we have to defeat some Ronald kid.
No, I don't care why they gathered us here. I just want some weapons so I can shoot something.
Oh, gosh.
The only thing I want is to kill Poncho because he's super annoying.
Yeah, true. He's, like, annoying. He wouldn't, like, I'm the Robloxian States Army General. Just tell us why you gathered us here. We don't really care about who you are.
You call me General Poncho. I don't care.
Like,
Poncho like the Mexican. Wait, Poncho like the raincoat thing?
From this point on,
like
or else you will be expelled from the team. That doesn't matter to me. Like, what?
Wait. Is he named Poncho because like because of like the raincoat thing?
What is wrong with this guy? Like, what?
Like, there's such thing as a poncho, and it's basically like a raincoat, but it's in very bad.
Cut to the guys. Look. Cut to the important part.
That guy just died because he didn't sit down.
Bruh. Did he seriously? Cut to the important part, bruh. Okay, finally. You're telling us something we need to know. Finally, it's about time. This guy is Ronald. This guy is Ronald. This is our target.
How do you know what he looks like?
That. His name is Ronald. I get it. Like, I get that. Like, why do you have to tell us all this? We have investigated, and all we know is he is a dangerous Roblox. We do not
guys.
Yeah?
How'd they get the picture?
Bruh, I know, right? Like,
why did they just take a picture of him without arresting him?
That is where Ronald is kidnapped, the captain of an airplane. Wow, that's like so hard, right? Oh no, everyone in that plane must be in danger. Duh, what do you think?
Wrong.
Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Of course.
Can't he just take it out of autopilot?
He's so, like, dangerous, he couldn't just press a button to take it out of autopilot mode. Like, what is wrong with this guy? He's so dangerous, he couldn't just click a button to get it out of autopilot mode. We need to find that plane. Okay, we will find Ronald in 10 shots and bring him to justice.
What he did was he held a
how will we get to the plane?
I'd be nice.
Good question. That's a terrible question.
What
What do you mean that's a good question? How we will get to the plane? What? Like, what?
I think the last time.
Why is he so tall? He's thick. This guy's fat.
Guys, am I the tallest one here?
Why is General Poncho so thick?
Guys, I'm so tall that I'm taller than the whole general. I'm literally taller than the general. Like, what? Like, can't you get a little taller? Nobody's gonna fear you. Like, what?
This guy's kind of thick, not gonna lie.
What? Like,
Why are you so tall on video?
I hate being short.
Realize that.
Dude, I hate being short. Like, literally, my least favorite thing in this world is being short. Literally.
Well, at least I'm tall. That's good.
I hate being short.
Well, at least we're tall then.
The general is so short. Like,
Let's go there.
Going down. Does this general think we're like dumb or something?
Let me out.
Does this general think we're dumb? Duh, of course we're going down.
Let me out.
Welcome to the military.
Give me a weapon.
Guys, I was literally about to fall down. Bro, you guys have to stop coming in front of me. I was about to fall down to my death, and that would be so embarrassing.
Do the Navy thing. Do the Navy one. Do the Navy one.
That is how we are going to save the airplane from Ronald. This is the reason? Okay, so we have to do nothing. But first, let's get everyone set up. Like, that's the whole reason? Okay, then we're not needed here. Hello? What?
Okay, do the blue one.
I know, blue one.
The Navy.
Blue.
Go Navy beat Army. Go Navy beat Army.
His blue suit, Ali, you look so ugly in it.
I know, bro. I hate because of my wings and then my whole avatar.
Go Navy beat Army.
No, I'm changing it. No. Guys, I'm changing from blue to red. Red is just way better.
No.
I look
Go Navy beat Army. Go Navy beat Army.
I'm the only one in this red costume. Oh no, there's a girl. Wait, that girl's from. Wait, isn't that the girl that was with us in the movies?
Honestly, I like the color red and blue more than like red and pink more. I'll do this one.
Not enough food.
Not enough fuel. Oh no! Totally dangerous.
Yeah. Why do you? What's like this guy? This guy prepared everything, and he's like, "Oh no." Why are you saying "oh no" if you know that you guys have enough? This guy is like taking us for dummies. This guy's taking us for dummies. Like, what is wrong with this guy?
Why you know what I don't?
Connect them to the plane. Guys, don't do anything. Don't do anything. Because if you guys fall, it's game over.
Don't do anything. Let the noobs do it. Let the noobs do it.
Yeah, because if we fall, it's game over. Because if we fall, everyone's just gonna lose because we're like the best people in this lobby. No cap.
Okay, guys, I'm going to go red.
I'm going to go green. I'm going green, baby.
If there was a black one, I'd do black.
I won't.
Bro,
how are these idiots
die? It's easy though. Guys. No!
What?
Fuel nozzle. Nozzle.
Boom, I just...
Who the heck came up with the word nozzle? Nozzle's kind of a weird name.
Wait, where's Sutart? Where's Sutart?
I got kicked!
No! Rest in peace.
You can keep recording too, but rest in...
How? Like, what? How? What? That's not fair, bro.
I don't know. I think it's because of his crappy internet.
Yeah, true. Oh, man. Yeah,
He does have terrible internet.
No,
Rest in peace.
I'm gonna just go get my headphones and do something.
I almost died. I almost
play
died.
in a better room.
Oh,
I did it. Let's go.
Excellent.
I did two.
bro, this
I did
guy
work. Let's go.
is so experienced. He couldn't do it all on his own. Like, what? This guy's so experienced. He couldn't do anything. Like, what is wrong with you, bro?
I can't even play anymore. I hate the internet.
Bro, are you kidding me?
Filling the tank now. Alright, then fill it now.
Bro,
Tank full.
bro.
Good.
How is it kicked?
Oh, your internet, man.
I can't even play anymore. I'm gonna just play by myself, I guess.
Okay, I guess. Sorry, bro.
I forgot.
That's Pilot Clark.
I don't care about Pilot Clark.
He will be our
I don't
pilot
care
through
about-
this mission. Okay, that's why
I
he's
don't care
called
about
Pilot.
Pilot Clark.
That's why he's called Pilot. The system is ready, General. Why do you call him General? Like, he's gonna lose to a criminal. Like, why do you call him General? He's gonna lose.
Pilot.
Starting the engine. Starting the engine. That's really dangerous to start the engine in a very small place. Like, what? Oh, and by the way, how are we gonna get out of this place? How are we gonna get out? That's my question.
Get in the car, noobs. We're going shopping.
Bro.
I remember that meme from
Million! Bro,
I remember that meme from like 2 years ago.
I remember playing this game and
Want
General
to hear what it looks like something? Guys, you want to hear what it sounds like? I died. Only Miller's featured, according to this. So I need to leave.
Bro, Million,
Because
imagine.
Wait, are we the only ones here? It's us two and this guy.
Yeah, bro, like, what? There were literally like 9 people.
He's here!
Prepare
Okay, he's actually pretty good at the game.
Bro,
he fueled
Million.
Yeah.
Imagine one of us, like, there's, like, the General Poncho has to, like, do something about the aircraft because it's, like, gonna get all in turbulence. Imagine we're, like, the 2 people that have to go with him. Like, if it's 2 people, it's either one of us. Imagine it's the both of us. Like, no. Even so, we still have a few hours.
No, don't worry. There's one more guy. There's another guy here.
Where? Where'd he go?
I don't know. He might have died.
Are you kidding me?
He's still in the game, though.
Sit down before you die. Where is he?
to eat. I want one.
Bro, I thought you could be hungry. Like,
Give me a banana.
Where is he? Where is he? I'm not eating this. I'm not eating this. Don't eat that. Don't eat that.
Why?
Did you eat it?
Why?
Don't eat it. Just trust me. Do not eat that.
But why?
Unless you want to die, don't eat that.
Is it like poisonous?
Wait, don't eat the banana. See? See? He's just pulling a joke. He's just pulling a joke. Why are you taking it so far? Ha ha, duh. I'm just kidding. Like, why would you bring them? It's an old prank. Oh, you fell for it before that even happened. Oh, look at who said it. That's not funny, General. I'm sorry, I just had to do it.
Dude, I'm gonna shove this banana.
You might as well chill or take a nap. General! Bruh! What? You're a general and you're telling us to sleep? What is wrong?
Sleep on the job. Perfect for me. I like this.
But you won't like it when we get to that plane. Oh no. Dude.
You want to hear what I don't like? You hear what I don't like?
Guys, wait. Guys. Wait. Wait, guys, stop talking for a second. I want to tell you guys something. Let's just say there's a 75 to 80% chance we can die when we're trying to save the airplane, okay? Let me just say that.
What?
I'm not going to spoil anything. Okay, yeah, I just feared this. General, we were struck by... What? Struck by... What? Our right motor is in critical danger. Please don't pick me to go out. Please pick the other guy. Please, I'm begging you.
They're gonna pick everyone to go out.
I hope not.
Where is that other guy?
Bro, where is that? Okay, everyone chill. Chill! I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me up. I'm not going to. No, stop talking. No, me, stop talking. Like, no. Oh, I had to talk. Like, that was such a bad idea. Please don't tell me.
Because this video is sponsored by NordVPN.
No! No. This is so scary. Duh, of course it is. The storm is getting... Can this guy, like, stop talking? Like, what in the world?
Will we get struck by lightning?
Yeah, duh. That's why I'm trying to run around.
Is this banana actually safe to eat?
No, don't eat that, bro. Don't eat that. Trust me, I'm pretty sure it's poisonous or something. Dude, can we just go back in there? No.
Try not to get struck by lightning. That's kind of sus.
Yeah, bro. 60 seconds? Oh, no. Come on.
Got him.
Stay still and a red dot hits your face.
If the red dot hits our face, we're dead. No! Yeah. Bro! No! No, this is not good. Like, no. No. Like,
I played this. I beat it. I'm good at it.
Yeah, same, but, like, it's so scary, bruh. Like, stop! Don't strike my face!
It's gonna strike you.
Like, don't strike. First of all, you need to try not to be struck. First of all, you need to try not to be struck in your face. Second of all, you gotta be careful of falling off the plane. And where is General? Like, that guy, what? Why is he called General when he's so scared?
I don't know.
What a scaredy cat.
Fall off the plane.
Like, he went to fix it, and now where is he? 3, 2, 1.
No,
Yes, we made it. Let's go.
He legit went in front of the engine, and he fell off the plane.
Look where he is, bro. I've never seen such a strong storm.
He's still stuck in the fixing animation.
Yeah, I know. Can I, like, box this guy in the face so he can stop?
I'm gonna hit you with that.
What is that? What the? You will not stop this fate?
I'm gonna shove this banana down your throat to shut you up.
Burn! What the? Fire! Yeah. My bro. Rest in peace. Quick, inside the plane.
Get in.
I'm in. Sit down, sit down, sit down. He's still in his fixing animation. Look at the pilot. Look at the pilot.
I'm a scared little boy.
Shh. I am so like, what? We didn't see no... You didn't see no skeleton? What? Let's just keep moving. Can I like get
blind. Off? He's blind. He's partially blind.
I know, he's the... Oh, because it was at the side of the plane. Right. It was at the side of the plane. And he's just... Oh, yeah, I get it. General, we are finally here. Rest in peace, Million. Trust me, we're not going to make it through this. This is where the 75 to 80% chance we're not going to make it.
What?
Okay, let's just say this. Let's just say this. When we go onto the plane, it'll start having fire because of Ronald. I'm not saying anything. You're going to have to find out, bro. I'm not saying anything.
You're not even... Oh, my gosh.
We just have one chance. That's making it even more... Good luck. You're not coming? What a scaredy cat.
Guys. Wait, can we pay to live?
Bro, last to live wins,
bro. Can we pay Robux to revive ourselves?
Good luck, soldiers. You're still in your fixing animation? Oh my gosh. This is it. We are in the plane.
Who
barricaded this? This is it. We are in the... How did we get here? It looks like Ronald covered the door. Yeah, duh. Who do you think? I wanted to do this my whole life. What?
Kill someone?
Die? You wanted to die your whole life? Oh no. We better hurry.
Wait, are these doors open?
No, it's not open. Check the store and see if you can find anything to open this door. Bro, we have to find it like quick. That cheese is poison. That cheese is poison. Hammer. Hammer. Give me the hammer.
Hammer boy.
Get the hammer, bro, quick. Great, you found a hammer. That will work. Okay, duh. Who's breaking it? Like, what? This guy's still in his fixing at... Hello. Why am I not surprised to see you here?
Hey, Boomer.
It's over, Ronald. Okay, how did you get here? I don't know. We teleported from a black screen here. Get him. Get him, bro. Get him. We have to fit... Dude, get ready to save these passengers. There is no time to go after him. Get these passengers, quick. Or else we will both lose. We need to save everyone on the plane first. Okay, go. Let the doors open, bro. Go, Ram. Go. Bro.
Wait, do you click them?
No, you just get to them. Come on,
so you're just trying to bonk them on the head?
Yeah, bro.
There's a child here.
A baby, bro. Like, what in the world? See, they're all safe?
Save it.
General, I inform you all the noobs. Okay, that is just...
The noobs. What?
But there is still one left, the captain. Duh.
Is this where there's a 75% chance to die?
Yes. The plane's gonna catch on fire, and then you get stuck in the ground. I've never made it through this, but just keep jumping, okay? Untie the noobs. We did that objective.
Okay. Wait, am I safe?
Get out of your fixing animation.
Am I safe on the chair? Am I safe on the chair?
Who wants to be the hero? Please don't talk me. All the Harmoose, do not talk. I'm begging.
Okay, just keep jumping.
I'm gonna go here. I'm the one that talks. If I mess this up, good luck, General. You better trust me. This guy's a chicken. Ronald, open the door. At least someone isn't a chicken. Look at this guy.
Yeah, while you're doing that, I'm going to be down here.
We can work this out. Duh. Look at this chicken. How did you get here? You better leave that person alone, bro. We can work this out.
Leave him alone here,
Ronald, let the captain go. Now. I demand you. I'm your boss. You don't understand anything? What do you mean? You are ruining my plans? I deserve this? Bruh. Listen to what I'm going to say. You better. It's over. You are going to jail. What is wrong, Ronald? I have to say what is wrong, Ronald.
No. It's over. What are you? Oh my gosh.
Ever since I was a kid.
We should have said the other thing.
Why?
Oh yeah, well I understand you, but I'm not gonna become some.
All I ever
stupid
wanted is a friend? Well, look at us. We're here. Duh. We can be your friend. You don't have friends because you are crazy. What do I say, bro?
We can be your friends.
No.
Yes, we have to. We can be your friends. We can save you. Friends.
Good ending. Good ending. Good ending is there.
Dude.
Yay! We got the happy
Yes.
ending.
We will be your friends because you are a good person inside.
Inside, not outside.
I don't know if you can save me. I've taken things too far. You are right. We can't save you. It's never too late to do the right thing. I'm saying that.
Yes, and never too late to do the right thing.
I said that.
Darn it. Darn man.
The other thing was, yeah, you're right. We can't save you. You're terrible. That's what the other thing was. I'll become a good person.
Yeah, do nice thing. We got a good ending.
Dot.
Yeah.
This guy's lying. This guy's lying, bro. I'm 1,000%.
He's joking. He's joking. He's gonna be like, no, I'm kidding, and he just
I'm not feeling well. I'm not
He
feeling
just
well.
slits his throat.
Bro.
Oh, that's heart attack. He had a heart-
Bruh. What? Ronald, are you okay?
I don't care about Ron.
No! Run! Run, bro. Run. Here's where General.
What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What
Captain
do we
room
have to
is
do?
burning. Dude, we have to go back. Go back. Okay. There is no time. The plane is about to explode, bruh. Like, what? Take this parachute. Bruh.
Where?
No!
Do we all get parachutes?
Get back here. But General, what about you? Come back.
Take one.
Come back.
Get it.
What? Come on,
Go.
give me a parachute.
You got it.
No, I didn't. Oh, I have it.
Yeah.
Just go. There's no time. Just go. Okay. I'll go. Chill,
Oh, there's
bro.
literally one right there for you.
No, I think I died.
No, you're good.
No. Come on, let us go. The back emergency doors open. We need to get there and jump. Go, bro. Bro. Yep, I died. That's what I was talking about. Did you die?
No, I'm still alive.
No, you're not. Are you seriously?
Yes.
Nice! Bruh. I've never made it through that, and you here made it? Nice, bro.
I've done it already. I've made it through that.
Whoa.
Let's go. Did it.
You made it?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, nice, bro.
I'm parachuting down.
But I guess I'm gonna have to end the video here. Are you done, bro?
Yeah.
Are you done?
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, smash the like button, subscribe, click the bell so you get notified every single time I post a video like this. I'll link MICRODASH's and Million Games' channel down in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!
Adios.
Adios, amigos!